Ayé kan ló wà, kò pé méjì, jayé orí ẹ. Ayé kan ló wà, kò pé méjì, jayé orí ẹ. Ó ṣiṣẹ́ jù, kò kí ń gbádùn, jọ̀wọ́, jayé orí ẹ. Oní London, ọ̀la Paris, brother, jayé orí ẹ. Ó mọ wáwẹ̀, ó bá gbàjẹ́.
So today we're going to be working with SuperNova Hair, and I'm just showing you guys what the packaging looks like and everything that was included in my box. They gave me 2 wig caps, and then this wig also came with an elastic band, which I thought was very thoughtful, and then the little bag for it, which I use all the time. This is how I store my wigs and keep them clean and safe. The wig that we'll be working with today is their Body Wave Silk Base Lace Front Wig, and I got it in 22 inches, and the density is 180, and I was really surprised by like the texture and softness of this wig, hence the face that I just made, and like the curl pattern, it looks like really pretty naturally, so I was really impressed. And the inside of the cap, again, I said it's a silk base, and I've never had a silk base anything before, so it was kind of different for me. But this wig also comes with combs, and then it also has an elastic part that is already built into it, so you can tighten the wig if you need to. And then I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looked like on the mannequin head, and it's already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do any of that on my own. The level of finesse that I'm about to have to go through to get this wig together is about to be crazy. This is the face powder that we are going to be using today. It's Iman, and I just picked this up from Walmart. I think this is the shade Dark 3 that I'm using. Just looks like this, and this is what I always put on my wigs, this or a similar powder, because I don't like to bleach my knots. So I guess my camera didn't record me putting the powder on the inside of the wig, but I just took a big fluffy makeup brush and just put it all on the inside of where the lace is. You don't need to put it on the silk base part because, again, like that's supposed to mimic real scalp, so if you put like makeup or anything underneath, it won't show through anyways. But this part of the video is actually like the part that I was like learning my way through, because I've seen people put down the Got To Be glue spray so they can like lay the wig on their head and then cut the lace off, so it seems to be easier. So I'm just showing you guys this part, but I really don't like doing it this way, so I ended up, after I cut the lace, I just like relayed the wig because it needed to be moved forward. But I just wanted to include this part just so you guys can see like the whole process and like the mistakes I made all the way through. You guys can see my edges come almost to where my eyebrows are. Like my edges come to where my fingers are. So my edges come right here, all the way here, and there's no way that the cap can go like that. So the edges of the wig have to fix that. So I'm gonna just place this as far as I can, like so, and then glue that part down. Take this, usually I have like a little brush, but today I'm gonna use my finger because I do not care. And we're being realistic today. Okay, so after I made my little fumble, my mistake, I'm now using the Got To Be gel instead of the spray to put that along my hairline and use that to apply my wig that way. It just works better for me. And then I blow dry it a little bit to make it more tacky, and then I felt like I wanted to use the Got To Be spray a little bit towards the top to try and make it stick better. And then I'm going to be blow drying this and pressing it down with my comb at the same time because it just works for like a more flawless finish. Once I can start to see that the like lace is blending in with my skin, that's how I know that I'm applying my wig right. And you can kind of tell and see that in the video that when I'm pressing it down, it's starting to look like the hair is coming out of my scalp. So you just do that whole process of spraying, pressing, and blow drying. And the important thing for me is trying to get the wig as close to my edges as possible without making it look fake, because my edges go too far out, so there's no way I'm going to be able to fully cover them. But I'm going to fix that later with the baby hairs of the wig and make that blend with like the baby hairs and the edges on my head that are sticking out. So now I've taken the clips out of my hair and it's starting to look really good. I'm actually like impressed, and I'm just trying to part the part how I want it to be for the side part. And like the thing about a silk base closure is that the front part of this wig was lace and then it goes into silk, and it kind of looks like a Caucasian person's scalp, almost, not really like my scalp, but I fixed that at the end. Now I'm just going to be taking my hot comb and trying to creating the like slick back part of like my side part, just trying to get it like seamless and really straight right there. And then I'm going to be cutting out the baby hairs and trimming those. And I kind of want to keep them a little bit thin because if your edges look too thick, it's not going to really look natural. So that's what I'm trying to do here. And you just got to play around with it until the baby hairs look how you want it to look. You can use any kind of mousse or wrapping lotion. And I kind of put that a lot there, but it ended up working out. And I'm just going to be playing with my baby hairs until I get them right. And this kind of took me a little bit of time because I'm not really good at doing baby hairs on a frontal, and I'm pretty sure that this is my first or second time trying to do this, and I'm more comfortable working with closure wigs, so I just played with this until I thought it looked like how people do on Instagram. Alright, so this is the baby edges part, baby hairs, baby edges part that I did so far, and it doesn't look that bad from far away, which is the only thing that matters, because who's coming close to me? Nobody. Now we're just going to take our scarf and put it over the baby hairs. So before I put on my scarf, I decided to do a couple more passes with my hot comb, and then I'm just wrapping my scarf around my head, and then I'm taking my Argan Oil of Morocco. I love this serum so much. I use it on all my wigs, and I feel like it makes my hair healthier, better taking a curl, and then it also I feel like makes my wigs last longer. So I just put this all throughout the hair, and then I'm going to be curling my hair before I do my makeup and just trying to fix it up as much as possible so I don't have much to do after I do my makeup. And I have a couple videos of how I wand curl my hair up already on my channel. This time I was kind of rushing a lot, so the curls don't even end up coming out as tightly as I would have wanted them, but it still came out okay. And I think that the most important part of this look is using your hot comb on the front of like the bang part, and then you're going to be taking your wand and curling towards your face. The whole time I was kind of curling away, and this is just going to create like the look of how it does in the front of how it's going towards my face instead of away. Alright, so now I'm coming back looking smexy. I know y'all see me back there in the mirror, but I'm going to be taking my soft focus powder, and I'm just going to be putting that on the lace a little bit more. We already put a different powder in the beginning, but this just like gives it like a finishing touch, and this is how I just like fix up anywhere that looks like lace just to make it blend in and look more natural. And can we appreciate how I'm looking on fleek? Y'all see the process? Y'all saw the process? Y'all probably didn't believe in the process, but here I am looking on fleek. Wow, this side part, I'm really feeling it. But now I'm going to be taking my Carrot Care wax stick, and I'm going to be slicking down the flyaways and trying to like keep in place the front part of that bang, because it does like tend to fall as like the night goes on. And that's it. This is how I finesse my frontal. I think I did a pretty good job for this being like my first time actually putting a frontal on my head from start to finish, and I'm just admiring my work in the mirror. I really like the side part. I feel like it accentuates my face. I have a very long and narrow face, and I feel like this looks really, really good. So now I'm just about to show y'all my little flex video. You know, you see me, I'm cute. You see me, I'm doing it. You want to do it too? So I've just showed you how. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about my hair videos, if you think I need to work on something. But I'm really, really feeling this wig. I'm inserting some little snaps in here as well to show you guys what I did look like on that night. I'll insert them after because I know I felt like I looked on fleek. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to SuperNova for sponsoring this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video coming to you soon. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Okay. Bye guys. Love you.
Hate sounds.